si Ma'am Presi? Yung strikta pero talagang kakaiba. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Dahil sobrang niyang bait. Ibang klase. Kung siya yung may kawangis, sasabihin kong may kapangyarihan na babae. Kaya niyang pagsabayin ng pagtuturo at pagiging ina. Gumagabay at nagmamahal sa paraan na alam niya. Mahal kita, Ma'am. May malaki ka pong parte sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako ngayon nandito. Hanggang sa paglaki, ikaw ay aking tatanawin. Ang teacher kong strikta pero talagang magaling.
Thoughtful, I can say that Ma'am Presi is thoughtful because whenever she noticed that something is happening to me, she immediately approaches and talks to me. Thank you, Ma'am Presi, because of you I have learned a lot. And I will never forget the knowledge you shared to us and the good memories. Thank you, Ma'am Presi. We love you so much.
Ma'am Presi is a passionate teacher. Hi, Ma'am Presi. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to express my sincere gratitude for your dedication and the positive impact you've had on my learning journey. Your passion for teaching is truly inspiring, and I appreciate your patience and willingness to help.
Kind. Thank you, Ma'am Presi, for being a kind and supportive teacher to us. We will always admire and remember your excellent teaching and your generosity. We will miss you. God bless you. And again, thank you po.
Presi is the sweetest. Hi, Ma'am Presi. Thank you so much po for teaching us and for the untiring support and for all the words of encouragement you have shared with us. I love you po and I will surely miss you. God bless you po.
Naku, si Ma'am Presi, mahigpit yan. Pero love na love kami niyan. Ma'am Presi, thank you po sa lahat ng turo niyo sa amin. At thank you din po sa walang sawang pagmamahal sa amin at sa walang sawang pagtsatsaga sa amin. Mababaon po namin lagi yung tinuro niyo sa aming aral. Mamimiss ka po namin. We love you all. Mwah!
Si Ma'am Presi ay maaalahanin. Maraming salamat po sa iyong paggabay po sa amin at sa mahabang pasensya.
Ma'am Presi, you are an inspiring teacher. As I prepare to move on to the next level, I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for everything you've taught me. Your patience, your ability to make even the most challenging concepts understandable, and your genuine care for each of us as individuals have made this year truly special. Thank you, Ma'am Presi.
Good morning po, Ma'am Presi. Para po sa akin, matatawag ko po kayo na teacher na may mahabang pasensya. Dahil sa dami-dami ko po nagawang pagkakamali, andyan pa rin po kayo para ituwid ako. At sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako para sa dahil po sa mga binigay niyo sa akin na pagsuporta sa mga sinasalihan ko po na programa na nilalaban ko po ang ating section. Ayun lang po, salamat po sa pagkasama po namin sa buong school year. Love you po.
Kind. Hello everyone, I just want to say thank you Ma'am Presi for making science so fun and exciting. You made us love learning and always help us do our best. We'll miss your smile and your awesome lessons. Thank you for everything, Ma'am Presi.
Si Ma'am Presi, stricto yan. Hi Ma'am Presi, thank you po sa pagiging mabuting advisor para sa amin lahat. At kahit po naging stricto kayo sa amin, madami na din po kaming natutunan sa inyo. Thank you din po sa pagiging pangalawang magulang para sa amin lahat. Especially na din po sa pagbibigay sa amin ng suporta. Alam po namin na alam nyo na mamimiss ka namin. Thank you po sa pagturo sa amin ng magandang asal, pagrespeto at paggalang sa kapwa. Good luck po next school year. Bye, Ma'am.
Ma'am Presi is fun. Thank you, Ma'am Presi, for teaching us and make learnings fun and exciting. Sorry for being naughty sometimes. We love you.
One word I can describe Mom is kind because she shows her generosity and kindness toward all of us.
Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga at pagtuturo sa amin. At God bless po.
Ma'am Presi ay mabait. Salamat po dahil nagampanan niyo po ang pagiging pangalawang ina sa akin. At napakabait niyo po sa amin. Mahal na mahal po kita, Ma'am Presi, at kami po ng mga aking kaklase.
Si Ma'am Presi ay napakasipag! Hi Ma'am Presi, since you're such a hardworking teacher, I just wanted to give my thanks to all the things that you have done to us students. And I have a lot of gratitude for you, Mom. And the way you teach is very full of surprises, and always praying for you, Mom. Love kita.
To Ma'am Presi, thank you for being a wonderful teacher. I appreciate your guidance and mentorship. Thank you for being a teacher who truly cares about your students, your time, energy, and patience. Thank you for going above and beyond to help me learn. Love kita, Ma'am Presi.
Trustworthy. Dear Ma'am Presi, I may not always say, but I mean it whatever I say. Thank you, teacher, for all the extra efforts you make to help us grow and challenges you encourage us to face to help us become who we are.
Ma'am Presi ay mapagmahal. Mahal niya kami kahit na ingay, magulo, at may ginagawa kaming mali. Mahal namin siya dahil ginagabay niya kami kapag may mali kaming nagagawa at mayroon kaming hindi alam. Masaya kami na maging teacher namin si Ma'am Presi dahil sa kanyang masayahin, mabait at mapagmahal na personalidad. Pinapasalamatan namin si Ma'am Presi sa pagturo, paggabay at pagmamahal sa amin.
To my wonderful teacher, it's hard to say goodbye to someone that has made such a difference in your life. Your encouragement has meant the world to me. Thank you for your patience, kindness, and wisdom. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am.
Ma'am Presi is so kind. So, Ma'am Presi is so kind. I want to thank you for all the teachings and guidance. I'm so happy that you became my teacher. I will cherish the learnings you have taught us. Take care always. See you around po.
Hi Ma'am Presi! Taos puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyong dedikasyon sa aming mag-aaral at hindi niyo po kami sinukuan. Thank you din po sa mga pangaral niyo sa amin. Magiging gabay po ito, lalong-lalo na po sa akin. Alam niyo po ba, hinubog po ako ng inyong mga turo. Again, maraming salamat Ma'am Presi. We will miss you po.
I will describe her being patient. Thank you, Ma'am Presi, for everything you've done, and thank you for being patient. We love you and we will miss you po.
For teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs, what I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions.
letting me know what's real from what is not. What I got is all that I hope for.
And a lot what hope for, thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space.
No heartache, no heartbreak, no broken days.
Stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.